and welcome everyone. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year in advance. Today we are going to discuss about the various possibilities of learning the French language. Why should one learn the French language? What are the benefits? Are there at all any benefits to learn the French language? Is the first question that would come in one's mind. Well, there are many, which we are going to discuss in this session. According to the statistics, there are around 300 million speakers of French language worldwide. So you have 300 million people speaking the French language all across the globe, and it's one of the most learned languages apart from English, and the sixth most widely spoken language all across the world. So other than English, it's a very, very important language for international communication as well. And French is also taught all around the globe in almost every continent except Antarctica. Now that we know how many speakers of French we have all around the world, let's understand which are the countries that speak French. So to begin with, we have France, followed by Belgium, we have Canada, we have Switzerland, Luxembourg in Europe, and in Africa we have the Democratic Republic of Congo, the Republic of Congo, and we have Cote d'Ivoire, we have Cameroon, Gabon, Madagascar, Burkina Faso, we have Mali, Mauritania, Niger, Senegal, Haiti, so many. Okay, so now you know how many countries speak French. Let's understand what benefit you would have if you learn French from another perspective. Suppose you enroll for a course in French. As French is a part of the Romance language family, your door to learning other Romance languages also open. What are the other Romance languages? Let's understand that first. So we have Italian, we have Spanish, we have Portuguese. So once you learn French, understanding these languages, learning these languages becomes much easier for you. It helps to grasp the grammar and the language skills of the other European languages as well, which is again a plus point. Okay, French as a language is not at all a difficult one, provided you have some knowledge of the English language, because there is a lot of similarity between the two languages, and once you have a good amount of knowledge in the English language, the learning French becomes very, very easy, and at the same time it's fun and interesting as well. When you learn French, your possibilities increase in connecting with the French-speaking population worldwide. This in turn also helps in establishing professional and personal relationships with French-speaking people all across the world. You tend to connect with them better through emails, chats, telephone. So your conversational capabilities as well as writing abilities ameliorate. So this becomes a plus point when you learn the French language as well. When we talk about career advancements, because there are many people who take French as a career, working for various companies as in the capacity of interpreters, translators, medical transcriptionists in the field of medical tourism, as tourist guides. There are so many options, or people might choose to open their own language bureau. So how French can help them career-wise? So French provides a significant advantage in your career. Companies, suppose you work in the corporate domain, so there are companies that have international clients who require bilinguals or multilingual professionals. So if you speak French apart from English or Hindi or any other language, your chances of career growth increases. If you're an avid traveler, suppose you want to travel, you have Wanderlust, you're fond of traveling. You can travel to France, you can travel to various other countries that speak French, and it helps you in establishing that linguistic barrier that you have. So you are able to, as I said, connect better. You're able to understand them better. It also enhances your cognitive capabilities and helps develop personality, as I said. Cognitive capabilities increase because you try to remember the language, how you should speak it, how you should deliver it, how you should write it. So your mind is constantly at work. Now this helps you to sharpen to hone your skills, to sharpen your brain, and this helps you to remember things more. So in a nutshell, I should say that every individual should learn a language, be it French or be it any other language, and this would definitely give that person an edge over all those who don't have that capability. Thank you.